Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you transcribe any YouTube video using Descript? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to transcribe someone else's YouTube video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that gathering blog ideas and video ideas can be time consuming. And by transcribing someone else's video, you can compile more ideas for more videos. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in YouTube and then also in your Descript app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube, and this is my For You page. Now, in order to transcribe a video, you're going to need the link to the video. So for example, let me go ahead and go over to my channel. Okay, so here's my channel. Let me go ahead and just grab this video right here. Okay, so this doesn't necessarily need to be your own video. It can be any video that has the share link right here. So in order to transcribe someone else's YouTube video, you're going to click here, share. Once you click on share, copy this link. And now we are done the YouTube video. So let me jump on over to my Descript app. Okay, I opened up my Descript app and this is the home screen. Now to transcribe a YouTube video, you're going to click here, transcribe a file, or you can do this, edit a video. If you don't see these options, click here on new project, and then you're going to click on video project. Okay, once you do that, this is kind of a new feature. So normally you would just drop a video in here, but Descript has put a paste a link right here, paste a video link from YouTube, click in there, paste your link, and then click enter. Okay, once you click enter, you can see that it's going to start transcribing the YouTube video right here. So let's give it a few moments. Okay, about 60 seconds later, you're going to see the transcription progress right here. And in order to download this YouTube video transcript, here on the top right, you're going to click on export. Once you do that, you'll see these 6 options and click on transcript. Next, you're going to go ahead and choose the format. So you can do Word, you can do plain text, you can do rich text. For this video, I'm going to do .text and then just click on export. Okay, quick second later, the file opens up. So here you can see for this YouTube video. And again, this doesn't need to be your own video. It could be any video on YouTube that has the share feature available. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to transcribe any video on YouTube using Descript, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.